This motorhome has a very big garage door at the back. This is a Forster model. This one here will cost 70, well, just over 70,000. That's not a bad price we're going on. It's a 7 meter long motorhome. It's a T699LF, and what this vehicle can offer is this very large salon, is that the right word? Living area, big bed above, and coming to the back we've got the toilet, we've got the shower, and in here we've got this enormous storeroom. This, I think, might suit somebody living in the van full time. I mean, you've got stacks of space up there for your clothes. You've got this really nice area at the back. And down here, you've got access to the garage. 2 drainage holes in the shower. This really is a dressing room. So you've got your clothes behind you, you've got the shower, you've got the, well, the toilet. The toilet isn't obligatory for a dressing room, but and you can also close this off like that. All this space in here. I think this is absolutely great. In the kitchen, you've got a sink, you've got 2 burners, storage underneath, table, face-to-face look. Now if you've got people coming around, you've got plenty of space around the table. Seat belt here and seat belt there. And what will happen here is that you've got backs for here, so you actually are traveling you're going in the direction of travel if you're sitting here at the back. If you're driving, then you might not want to go in the direction of travel. You just turn the seat round. That's actually a little joke of mine. Up here is a bed. Can I show you the bed coming down? I bet I can't because they've taken the fuses out. Oh, I can. You see it coming down? Oops, I forgot to take the headrests out. So on that side, that was me being careful not to hit that, and I forgot to take these away. But never mind, you can see the size of the bed coming down this far. So big bed. Under the bed, what have we got? Nets. The nets will fix up here, so you can close yourself in. Point of that is so that you don't actually fall out. It says here, not suitable for children under 6 years old without supervision. I'll put the thing up again so you can watch it going up. There you go. What an exciting video this will be. The motors can't be used a lot. I need to point this one out very clearly. Up and down once or even twice, maybe, but not constantly. Also, you can't have anything on the bed. Well, within reason. I mean, put your bed clothes up and be on the bed, but children or something like that shouldn't be on the bed as the or anybody else as the bed's going up and down. Lippert components manufacture this bed. Lots of them come with keys you have to put in. This has no key. The keys are completely pointless to my way of thinking. Good, let's have a look in here. We've got a fridge. It does have things to go on the door. Either the company Forster here removed them or somebody helped themselves to them. Control panel here, show you how much water you've got. You turn your electricity on and that type of thing. There's, you've got your heater. Heating control, I should say. There you can keep a television, or you can keep your dog food or something like that. And good, a nice bright vehicle. Let's move out. So integrated fly screen. We'll have a look now at the pièce de résistance, which is really this storage at the back. I think that is absolutely outstanding. And in here, now that's the entrance from the dressing room at the rear. There's the look at the vehicle from the back. Forster, 10 years. To my counting, it's now 11, but maybe I'm missing. Maybe I'm adding a year. Yeah, I'll show you this door as well. Look how big it is. It's enormous. Maybe you see, you can use sort of space up there if you want to carry some scaffolding or some trees or something like that. So giraffes, something like that. And let's close the door to make the point of how big it is. Oh, this one's got that's gone missing. Maybe I'll leave it like this. Maybe it was meant to be like that. Right, there's a bin in the door. That's very handy. Even handier is having a window in the door. You've only got a blind. You've got no mosquitiera because this window doesn't open. I'll close the window. And here we've got a door, as you'd expect. So I'll close that one as well. And let's have a look from the front. T699LF. I quite like that van. Here, I'll take you for a quick walk around this stand. So here we have one with 2 single beds, big garage at the back, 7-meter motorhome, and 70,000 euros this thing costs. There you go. Prefer the other one myself. This one's got sleeping for 3. Still got a nice big washroom though, hasn't it? This one here has a rear German bed. Again, same 70,000, 7-meter motorhome. 2 steps up, bed above, and that's what the bed looks like at the back. Let's go into this one. Huge garage here, enormous. 150 kilos you can put in that, or so I'm told. And again, similar price. No, it's about 76,170. Of course, that just depends on the equipment levels. This one's all dark inside. Could it be that they've turned off the... No, we're not going to see this one because it's... Yeah, you see, the 12 volt has been turned off. Can't get in this one. So there's a lesson. Don't go into a van that's all dark. But I can show you around the stand anyway. HB T599, and this one here is a shorter van. This is a 6-meter van. 6-meter van, 66,170. Got a van with the cab over here. All a very similar price. These 7-meter vans here, and integrated van. Now this one here costs a bit more. Because it's integrated. Got a big garage. There you go. 90,000 euros. But you do have this really nice front to it. Which I think it's a nice front. There's another one with a nice front. Got some camper vans. But now I'll take you back. It says here to beach, here to beach, to beach. There you go. This is the one. T699LF motorhome from Forster at Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. Thanks very much for watching.